Ever since the beginning of the internet, teams have had to increase their cybersecurity budgets year over year. In some cases, this is driven by regulatory pressure, but more often, it's a direct response to the constantly rising threats and vulnerabilities in cyberspace. Pen tests have become increasingly time-consuming and resource-intensive, often requiring larger, more specialized teams to keep up with growing attack surfaces and application complexity. And that is exactly why we are introducing our new Red Agent, a framework built to automate security testing by targeting authentication, access control, and most importantly, business logic vulnerabilities. Red Agent is built for accessibility and ease of use, with minimal setup time. To get started, you simply register your domain name and begin the process. All it takes is a login URL for each user, ideally an admin user and a regular user, along with their credentials. We support multiple authentication methods, including password authentication, basic authentication, and even two-factor authentication methods like OTP. Once the credentials are set, we can move on to the next section, which starts the main process. I will show a short version of that now. As you can see, the agent begins operating using the credentials provided earlier. We let it run through the application, and once the process is complete, we can review the results. Now that the process is done, the results are rendered onto the screen, showing interesting statistics about the state of the application. Next comes the data processing phase, where results are refined and filtered before being classified and prepared for final reporting. This step works out of the box with sensible defaults, while more technical users can dive into the configuration options to fine-tune or experiment with how the agent behaves. Once the process has concluded, the final results will be presented. As you can see, the framework has collected, detected, and classified vulnerabilities across the application, categorized by priority and level of certainty. Now you can finally export the generated report in your favorite format and send it to your specialist to review and fix the vulnerabilities found. That's how simple it is to run a comprehensive security test with Red Agent.